How to get $140 Temu coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Temu coupon code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get coupon code for Temu. So head towards this website, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Temu. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 80% off, 90% off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at Temu. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log into your account. Select the items that you want to purchase and check out. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Over there, type in your code in format. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Temu. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Temu. So this way you can easily get up to $140 Temu working coupon code. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.